Hey, Marie. Hey, what you cooking?
I am making an easy Mediterranean dish. You just pop it in the oven.
Stay tuned, guys.
Hi guys, good afternoon. You're welcome to Marie's Kitchen. It's been a while since I've been on, but I thought I would come to you and show you an easy little recipe that you can whip together for your family. It's a Mediterranean dish, and it started out as a meatless dish, and we've just sort of added meat to it. And I got my steak on over here, and it's just a thin strip steak, very thin. I've got butter in here and a sprig of rosemary, and I'm gonna let that cook. And I marinated it in dill sauce, and then I've got one large red onion, and I've got a couple of the red peppers, and then the yellow peppers, because they are sweeter than the green ones. And then I've got the Parmesan cheese, spinach, and this is the main thing that makes it good. This is the gnocchi.
That's awesome stuff.
And it's really good. And then it calls for red pepper. I'm not a big fan on spicy food, so I do use it, but I use very little, so you can adjust it to the heat however you like it. And then I use this Miss Dash, the pasta blend. It's Mediterranean. Get it at Walmart. And then I've got my pepper, kosher salt, and garlic. And then over here, I've got my minced garlic. And we're going to put all that together on the parchment paper, and we're going to stick it in the oven. This is very, very easy. Let me get here's my olive oil. Got that. And we're just cooking this up, and when this gets done to where, because you don't want to forget your steak and overcook it, it'll make it tough. After I get this done, then we'll come back and we'll put together this and stick it in the oven, and we'll show you how easy it is. Okay guys, we are now ready to assemble this. I've got my steak done, and it's resting over here on the stove. So the only thing you do, like I say, this is easy.
It's a very beautiful dish too once you get it done.
It's very colorful. Oh, I'm going to get my tomatoes out too. So there's my peppers. See how pretty they are? Then I'm going to do my onions.
Got her a little cheat sheet there.
Yes, because sometimes if you don't make this dish a lot, I forget to add stuff. So
Well, we were craving it, and we thought this would be a great.
Down my list. I wanted something easy tonight. Since we went to church today, I just wanted something that we could come home and relax and eat and watch some TV before bedtime. And like I say, this is easy and it's good. And if you didn't want to add meat, you don't have to add meat.
And if there's anything here like the onions, if you don't like onions, don't add the onions. We did forget the cherry tomatoes, and
I'm getting the tomatoes.
And we'll get those out here in a minute. And that's an ulu knife she's got. That thing's awesome.
This is the best thing ever.
We got that on our Alaskan cruise.
Yes, we did. Now let me go get my tomatoes.
And while she's getting those tomatoes, I'll let y'all see this a little bit better here.
Okay.
And this is just those little bitty cherry tomatoes. We forgot to show you all those cherries.
And they'll bake down to hardly anything. Now I don't put my spinach in just yet. That should do it.
Calls for 1 ounce of the tomatoes.
And then this is olive oil. You just want to get it a good coat on it. I've got my oven preheated to 400. This is the
Red pepper
peppers.
flakes.
It's not going to come out very good. I don't use a whole lot of these because
She's not.
I don't like spices.
Well, neither one of us really like spices as much as I used to.
This better this way.
A little paint.
Yeah. You want to make sure you season it really good. That's your salt, and you don't need a whole lot of the kosher salt because it is very salty.
It's coarsely ground, so it's really got.
And then here's more garlic, because anybody that knows me knows I love my garlic. And then here is our gnocchi.
The secret ingredient.
Yes. And you just got to break it up. And the best place to buy this, guys, it's a lot cheaper, is at the Dollar Tree.
That's where we got that at, and
I always get it from the Dollar Tree. Break it up, and then come back here. I just take my hands and work it in, because you want that oil to coat it.
just turn the water on for you because I know you're gonna need to wash your hands.
Yes, I will. It smells good.
It smells delicious.
You smell it.
I do.
See how pretty this is? This is a beautiful dish.
And then when you get that green from the spinach in it,
And if you're trying to impress somebody in cooking, this is an excellent dish to make for them. They think that you sweated over it, and really you have not. You've seen how quick we put that together. Now my spinach is right here. Like I say, we won't put that in until that's done. And we'll put that in and let that shrink down. And it shrinks down in a second. And then we'll put the cheese on it. Let me wash my hands. Get all that.
guys, while she's washing her hands, like and subscribe to our channel. And we also have a TikTok channel. It's Marie's Kitchen Magic also. I believe that's what it is. Kitchen Magic, Magic Kitchen. Here we go in the oven.
Here we go. And I'm going to put that on there for about 15 minutes. And it might not even take that long, guys.
And just check it about,
I'm
10
gonna
minutes
probably
in.
about 7.
Oh, 7?
Yes.
Okay.
And then we're going to cut up the steak, and then we're going to bring it out and put the rest on it, stick it in the oven, and we'll be right back with you guys. Right, we took her out of the oven. Now we're going to work in the spinach.
She took it out at 15 minutes. She tossed it.
And I put a little bit more olive oil on top of it and a little bit more of the Mrs. Stash seasoning.
And then
And that'll just melt down.
put it back in there for how long?
About 50 more minutes.
Okay.
You want what you're looking for is you want these tomatoes to get done to be like that. And then I'm going to put this, I'm going to put fresh Parmesan on when I plate it. But I'm going to use this right now.
And it don't take long for that.
And then this is, like I say, this is the recipe here. This is meatless. If you didn't want to add meat, it's good just like this.
And it don't take long for that spinach to get done either.
No, it doesn't. So we're mainly just going to let that cheese melt, and it'll be ready to eat. And we'll have it plated up.
And after it comes out, we'll have it plated up, and we'll see you when it's plated. All right, here I am. I'm waiting on the first bite. She grades up some Parmesan on there. You can put some balsamic vinegar on it, but I've got to try the first bite without the balsamic
I
vinegar.
don't put anything on it myself. He's braver than I am. And this is what it looks
Yeah,
like.
go ahead.
Like I say, it's very easy.
It's very easy. So here we go. We're gonna get a little bit of steak, a little bit of gnocchi, a little bit of everything. It's still hot. Mm,
Good.
very
You want to
good.
try some vinegar on it?
Yeah, I'm not gonna pour that in there. I just want to drizzle
I
some
could
of
get
it.
you a spoon and you could.
Yeah, let's do this thing. So I don't want to get a whole lot on it. Let's see here. Get that back right there. A little bit of steak.
Yes or no?
Yes. That on it really sets it over the top. That is awesome. Guys, like and subscribe. And until next time, keep cooking.